In this video, we'll cover 90 multiple choice questions from biology, complete with options, answers, and explanations. These questions are designed to enhance your understanding and help you prepare effectively. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more educational content. The basic unit of life is. Options are A. Atom, B. Molecule, C. Cell, D. Organ. Answer: C. Cell. Explanation: cells are the smallest units of life that can function independently and perform all necessary functions of life. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Options are A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: B. Mitochondria. Explanation: mitochondria generate most of the cell's supply of ATP, used as a source of chemical energy. What is the function of ribosomes in a cell? Options are A. Energy production, B. Protein synthesis, C. Lipid synthesis, D. DNA replication. Answer: B. Protein synthesis. Explanation: ribosomes are responsible for assembling amino acids to form specific proteins essential for cellular functions. Who is known as the father of genetics? Options are A. Charles Darwin, B. Gregor Mendel, C. James Watson, D. Francis Crick. Answer: B. Gregor Mendel. Explanation: Gregor Mendel's experiments with pea plants established the foundational principles of heredity. The study of heredity and variation is known as. Options are A. Ecology, B. Genetics, C. Physiology, D. Morphology. Answer: B. Genetics. Explanation: genetics is the branch of biology that deals with genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organisms. What is the structure of DNA? Options are A. Single helix, B. Double helix, C. Triple helix, D. Quadruple helix. Answer: B. Double helix. Explanation: DNA has a double helix structure consisting of two strands wound around each other. The human heart is divided into how many chambers? Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer: C. 4. Explanation: the human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. What is the main function of red blood cells? Options are A. Fighting infection, B. Clotting blood, C. Transporting oxygen, D. Producing hormones. Answer: C. Transporting oxygen. Explanation: red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it throughout the body. The largest organ in the human body is. Options are A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Skin, D. Brain. Answer: C. Skin. Explanation: the skin is the body's largest organ, covering the entire external surface. Photosynthesis occurs in which part of the plant? Options are A. Roots, B. Stem, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. Answer: C. Leaves. Explanation: photosynthesis primarily occurs in the leaves where chlorophyll captures light energy. What is the main pigment involved in photosynthesis? Options are A. Hemoglobin, B. Chlorophyll, C. Myoglobin, D. Keratin. Answer: B. Chlorophyll. Explanation: chlorophyll absorbs light most efficiently and plays a crucial role in converting solar energy into chemical energy. Which part of the plant is responsible for water transport? Options are A. Phloem, B. Xylem, C. Cortex, D. Pith. Answer: B. Xylem. Explanation: xylem transports water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plant. The primary producers in an ecosystem are. Options are A. Animals, B. Plants, C. Fungi. D. Bacteria. Answer. B. Plants. Explanation. Plants produce their own food through photosynthesis and serve as the primary source of energy for other organisms in the ecosystem. Bacteria are classified as. Options are A. Eukaryotes, B. Prokaryotes, C. Archaea, D. Fungi. Answer. B. Prokaryotes. Explanation. Bacteria are single-celled organisms without a true nucleus, classified as prokaryotes. What disease is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Options are A. Typhoid, B. Cholera, C. Tuberculosis, D. Leprosy. Answer. C. Tuberculosis. Explanation. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease that primarily affects the lungs, caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Viruses are made up of. Options are A. Cells, B. Tissues, C. Organs, D. Genetic material and protein. Answer. D. Genetic material and protein. Explanation. Viruses consist of a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. The process of fertilization in humans occurs in. Options are A. Uterus, B. Ovary, C. Fallopian tube, D. Vagina. Answer. C. Fallopian tube. Explanation. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tubes, where the sperm meets the egg. The hormone responsible for the regulation of the menstrual cycle in reproduction is. Options are A. Insulin, B. Thyroxine, C. Estrogen, D. Adrenaline. Answer. C. Estrogen. Explanation. Estrogen plays a key role in regulating the menstrual cycle and reproductive system. Which organ produces sperm in males? Options are A. Testes, B. Prostate, C. Urethra, D. Bladder. Answer. A. Testes. Explanation. The testes are responsible for the production of sperm and testosterone. What type of pathogen causes malaria? Options are A. Virus, B. Bacteria, C. Protozoa, D. Fungi. Answer. C. Protozoa. Explanation. Malaria is caused by protozoan parasites of the genus Plasmodium, transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of insulin? Options are A. Diabetes, B. Hypertension, C. Anemia, D. Osteoporosis. Answer. A. Diabetes. Explanation. Diabetes is a metabolic disease characterized by high blood sugar levels due to insufficient insulin production or action. What is the main function of white blood cells? Options are A. Transporting oxygen, B. Clotting blood, C. Fighting infection, D. Producing hormones. Answer. C. Fighting infection. Explanation. White blood cells are part of the immune system and help the body fight infections and other diseases. What is the purpose of genetic engineering? Options are A. To study ecosystems, B. To modify organisms' DNA, C. To clone cells, D. To produce vaccines. Answer. B. To modify organisms' DNA. Explanation. Genetic engineering involves manipulating an organism's DNA to change its characteristics. PCR stands for. Options are A. Polymerase chain reaction, B. Protein cloning reaction, C. Photochemical reaction, D. Polycarbonate reaction. Answer. A. Polymerase chain reaction. Explanation. PCR is a technique used to amplify small segments of DNA, making millions of copies of a particular sequence. Which enzyme is used to cut DNA its specific sequences? Options are A. Ligase, B. Polymerase, C. Restriction enzyme, D. Helicase. Answer. C. Restriction enzyme. Explanation. Restriction enzymes recognize specific sequences in DNA and cut them at those sites. The functional unit of the nervous system is. Options are A. Neuron, B. Axon, C. Synapse, D. Dendrite. Answer: A. Neuron. Explanation: Neurons are the basic working units of the nervous system, responsible for receiving and transmitting information. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Options are A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. Answer: B. Cerebellum. Explanation: The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining balance, coordination, and posture. Neurotransmitters are stored in. Options are A. Axon terminals, B. Dendrites, C. Myelin sheath, D. Cell body. Answer: A. Axon terminals. Explanation: Neurotransmitters are chemicals stored in axon terminals and released to transmit signals to other neurons. Conclusion: The gland known as the master gland of the endocrine system is. Options are A. Thyroid, B. Adrenal, C. Pituitary, D. Pancreas. Answer: C. Pituitary. Explanation: The pituitary gland controls various other hormone glands in the endocrine system, thus it's referred to as the master gland. Insulin is produced by which organ? Options are A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Spleen. Answer: B. Pancreas. Explanation: The pancreas produces insulin, which helps regulate blood glucose levels. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Options are A. Melatonin, B. Serotonin, C. Dopamine, D. Cortisol. Answer: A. Melatonin. Explanation: Melatonin is produced by the pineal gland and helps regulate sleep patterns. The first step in photosynthesis is. Options are A. Carbon fixation, B. Light absorption, C. Glucose production, D. Oxygen release. Answer: B. Light absorption. Explanation: Photosynthesis begins with the absorption of light by chlorophyll in the leaves. The gas released during photosynthesis is. Options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Oxygen. Explanation: During photosynthesis, plants release oxygen as a byproduct. Cellular respiration occurs in which organelle? Options are A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Chloroplast. Answer: B. Mitochondria. Explanation: Mitochondria are known as the site of cellular respiration where ATP is produced. The male part of a flower is called. Options are A. Stamen, B. Pistil, C. Petal, D. Sepal. Answer: A. Stamen. Explanation: The stamen is the pollen-producing reproductive organ of a flower. What is the primary function of the root system in plants? Options are A. Photosynthesis, B. Water absorption, C. Reproduction, D. Respiration. Answer: B. Water absorption. Explanation: Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and anchor the plant. Which plant tissue is responsible for transporting nutrients? Options are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Cortex, D. Epidermis. Answer: B. Phloem. Explanation: Phloem transports nutrients, especially sugars, throughout the plant. The largest bone in the human body is. Options are A. Humerus, B. Tibia, C. Femur, D. Fibula. Answer: C. Femur. Explanation: The femur, or thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. The smallest bone in the human body is. Options are A. Stapes, B. Malleus, C. Incus, D. Ulna. Answer: Stapes. Explanation. The stapes is located in the middle ear and is the smallest bone in the body. What is the primary function of the lungs? Options are A. Digesting food, B. Filtering blood, C. Exchanging gases, D. Producing hormones. Answer. C. Exchanging gases. Explanation. The lungs are responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during breathing. What type of genetic inheritance is color blindness? Options are A. Autosomal dominant, B. Autosomal recessive, C. X-linked dominant, D. X-linked recessive. Answer. D. X-linked recessive. Explanation. Color blindness is often inherited in an X-linked recessive pattern. The physical expression of genes is known as. Options are A. Genotype, B. Phenotype, C. Allele, D. Chromosome. Answer. B. Phenotype. Explanation. Phenotype refers to the observable traits or characteristics of an organism. An organism with two identical alleles for a trait is called. Options are A. Homozygous, B. Heterozygous, C. Homologous, D. Heterologous. Answer. A. Homozygous. Explanation. An organism with two identical alleles for a particular gene is homozygous. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin D. Answer. C. Vitamin K. Explanation. Vitamin K is crucial for the synthesis of proteins needed for blood clotting. Which part of the digestive system is primarily responsible for nutrient absorption? Options are A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Esophagus. Answer. B. Small intestine. Explanation. The small intestine is the main site for nutrient absorption into the bloodstream. The enzyme that breaks down starch into sugars is. Options are A. Lipase, B. Protease, C. Amylase, D. Lactase. Answer. C. Amylase. Explanation. Amylase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into sugars. The axial skeleton includes all except. Options are A. Skull, B. Rib cage, C. Vertebral column, D. Limbs. Answer. D. Limbs. Explanation. The axial skeleton consists of the skull, rib cage, and vertebral column, while the limbs are part of the appendicular skeleton. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder? Options are A. Hinge joint, B. Ball and socket joint, C. Pivot joint, D. Saddle joint. Answer. B. Ball and socket joint. Explanation. The shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint, allowing for a wide range of movement. Blood is carried away from the heart by. Options are A. Veins, B. Arteries, C. Capillaries, D. Lymph vessels. Answer. B. Arteries. Explanation. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the tissues of the body. Which blood component is primarily responsible for clotting? Options are A. Red blood cells, B. White blood cells, C. Platelets, D. Plasma. Answer. C. Platelets. Explanation. Platelets are cell fragments that play a key role in blood clotting. The universal donor blood type is. Options are A. B. B, C. AB, D. O. Answer. D. O. Explanation. Blood type O can be donated to individuals of any blood type because it lacks A and B antigens. The process by which water vapor is lost from plants is called. Options are A. Transpiration, B. Respiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Evaporation. Answer. A. Transpiration. Explanation. Transpiration is the process where plants lose water vapor through small openings called stomata. Which hormone is responsible for cell elongation in plants? Options are A. Ethylene, B. Auxin, C. Gibberellin, D. Cytokinin. Answer B. Auxin. Explanation: auxins promote cell elongation and are crucial in the growth and development of plant tissues. The plant tissue that conducts food is. Options are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Epidermis, D. Cortex. Answer B. Phloem. Explanation: phloem conducts food, primarily sugars, from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The primary immune cells in the body are. Options are A. Red blood cells, B. White blood cells, C. Platelets, D. Plasma cells. Answer B. White blood cells. Explanation: white blood cells, or leukocytes, are essential for fighting infections and protecting the body against foreign invaders. What is an antigen? Options are A type of antibody, B. A foreign substance that induces an immune response, C. A white blood cell, D. A blood clotting factor. Answer B. A foreign substance that induces an immune response. Explanation: antigens are molecules that are recognized by the immune system as foreign and trigger an immune response. The immunity acquired after vaccination is called. Options are A. Passive immunity, B. Active immunity, C. Natural immunity, D. Innate immunity. Answer B. Active immunity. Explanation: active immunity is achieved when exposure to a disease organism triggers the immune system to produce antibodies to that disease. The study of interactions between organisms and their environment is known as. Options are A. Anatomy, B. Ecology, C. Physiology, D. Morphology. Answer B. Ecology. Explanation: ecology is the branch of biology that studies how organisms interact with each other and their environment. The gas primarily responsible for global warming is. Options are A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Explanation: carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. The primary source of energy for the Earth's ecosystem is. Options are A. The Moon, B. The Sun, C. The oceans, D. The Earth's core. Answer B. The Sun. Explanation: the Sun provides energy that drives photosynthesis and other processes critical to life on Earth. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps in. Options are A. Digestion, B. Circulation, C. Respiration, D. Excretion. Answer C. Respiration. Explanation: the diaphragm contracts and flattens during inhalation, allowing the lungs to expand and fill with air. Which part of the respiratory system is also known as the voice box? Options are A. Pharynx, B. Larynx, C. Trachea, D. Bronchi. Answer B. Larynx. Explanation: the larynx, or voice box, contains the vocal cords and is involved in producing sound. The exchange of gases in the lungs occurs in the. Options are A. Bronchi, B. Trachea, C. Alveoli, D. Pleura. Answer C. Alveoli. Explanation: alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. The process of transfer of pollen from anther to stigma is called. Options are A. Fertilization, B. Germination, C. Pollination, D. Propagation. Answer C. Pollination. Explanation: pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male part, anther, to the female part, stigma, of a flower. Which part of the seed grows into the root? Options are A. Plumule, B. Radicle, C. Cotyledon, D. Endosperm. Answer. B. Radicle. Explanation. The radicle is the part of the seed that develops into the root system of a plant. Which type of reproduction involves only one parent? Options are A. Sexual reproduction, B. Asexual reproduction, C. Cross-pollination, D. Hybridization. Answer. B. Asexual reproduction. Explanation. Asexual reproduction involves only one parent and results in offspring that are genetically identical to the parent. The functional unit of the kidney is. Options are A. Nephron, B. Neuron, C. Alveolus, D. Villus. Answer. A. Nephron. Explanation. Nephrons are the microscopic structural and functional units of the kidney responsible for filtering blood and forming urine. Urea is produced in which organ? Options are A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Pancreas, D. Heart. Answer. A. Liver. Explanation. Urea is produced in the liver as a waste product of protein metabolism and is excreted by the kidneys. Which organ is responsible for removing waste products from the blood? Options are A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Lungs, D. Intestines. Answer. B. Kidneys. Explanation. The kidneys filter waste products and excess substances from the blood, excreting them as urine. In a DNA molecule, adenine pairs with. Options are A. Guanine, B. Cytosine, C. Thymine, D. Uracil. Answer. C. Thymine. Explanation. In DNA, adenine pairs with thymine through hydrogen bonding. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Options are A. Helix, B. Double helix, C. Triple helix, D. Straight chain. Answer. B. Double helix. Explanation. DNA has a double helix structure, with two strands wound around each other. The process of cell division in somatic cells is called. Options are A. Meiosis, B. Mitosis, C. Cytokinesis, D. Binary fission. Answer. B. Mitosis. Explanation. Mitosis is the process of cell division that results in two genetically identical daughter cells. The phase where chromosomes align in the center of the cell during mitosis is. Options are A. Prophase, B. Metaphase, C. Anaphase, D. Telophase. Answer. B. Metaphase. Explanation. During metaphase, chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell before being separated into each of the two daughter cells. What is the technique used to make multiple copies of a segment of DNA? Options are A. Gel electrophoresis, B. Polymerase chain reaction (PCR), C. Cloning, D. Gene sequencing. Answer. B. Polymerase chain reaction (PCR). Explanation. PCR is a technique used to amplify a specific segment of DNA, making millions of copies. The light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis take place in the. Options are A. Stroma, B. Thylakoid membrane, C. Cytoplasm, D. Mitochondria. Answer. B. Thylakoid membrane. Explanation. The light-dependent reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts, where sunlight is converted into chemical energy. The Calvin cycle is also known as. Options are A. Light reactions, B. Dark reactions, C. Photophosphorylation, D. Glycolysis. Answer. B. Dark reactions. Explanation. The Calvin cycle, or dark reactions, occurs in the stroma of chloroplasts where carbon fixation happens without the direct need for light. The main pigment involved in photosynthesis is. Options are A. Carotene, B. Xanthophyll, C. Chlorophyll, D. Anthocyanin. Answer. C. Chlorophyll. Explanation. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis, absorbing light most efficiently? Which hormone is known as the stress hormone? Options are A. Adrenaline, B. Cortisol, C. Insulin, D. Thyroxine. Answer B. Cortisol. Explanation: cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone because its levels increase in response to stress. The hormone responsible for regulating metabolism is. Options are A. Insulin, B. Glucagon, C. Thyroxine, D. Estrogen. Answer C. Thyroxine. Explanation: thyroxine is produced by the thyroid gland and plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism. Which hormone lowers blood glucose levels? Options are A. Glucagon, B. Insulin, C. Adrenaline, D. Cortisol. Answer B. Insulin. Explanation: insulin helps lower blood glucose levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. Who is known as the father of evolution? Options are A. Gregor Mendel, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Charles Darwin, D. Alfred Wallace. Answer C. Charles Darwin. Explanation: Charles Darwin is known as the father of evolution for his theory of natural selection. The theory of natural selection was proposed in which book by Charles Darwin? Options are A. The Descent of Man, B. On the Origin of Species, C. The Voyage of the Beagle, D. The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals. Answer B. On the Origin of Species. Explanation: Darwin's groundbreaking work, On the Origin of Species, introduced the theory of natural selection. What is the term for the preserved remains of ancient organisms? Options are A. Fossils, B. Artifacts, C. Amber, D. Petrified wood. Answer A. Fossils. Explanation: fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms that lived in the geological past. The hormone responsible for milk production in mammals is. Options are A. Oxytocin, B. Prolactin, C. Estrogen, D. Progesterone. Answer B. Prolactin. Explanation: prolactin stimulates milk production in mammals after childbirth. Which gland is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood? Options are A. Thyroid, B. Parathyroid, C. Adrenal, D. Pituitary. Answer B. Parathyroid. Explanation: the parathyroid glands regulate calcium levels in the blood through the secretion of parathyroid hormone, PTH. The hormone adrenaline is produced by the. Options are A. Thyroid gland, B. Adrenal glands, C. Pituitary gland, D. Pancreas. Answer B. Adrenal glands. Explanation: adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is produced by the adrenal glands and prepares the body for fight or flight responses. The first part of the small intestine is called. Options are A. Ileum, B. Jejunum, C. Duodenum, D. Colon. Answer C. Duodenum. Explanation: the duodenum is the first section of the small intestine, where initial digestion takes place. Which organ produces bile? Options are A. Stomach, B. Pancreas, C. Liver, D. Gallbladder. Answer C. Liver. Explanation: the liver produces bile, which helps in the digestion and absorption of fats. The enzyme pepsin is active in which part of the digestive system? Options are A. Mouth, B. Stomach, C. Small intestine, D. Large intestine. Answer B. Stomach. Explanation: pepsin is an enzyme in the stomach that breaks down proteins into peptides. The study of animal behavior is called. Options are A. Ethnology, B. Ethology, C. Ecology, D. Entomology. Answer B. Ethology. Explanation: ethology is the scientific study of animal behavior, particularly in natural environments.